You can't make friends as an adult. Really? Really? Says who? Are you even trying? What are you doing? What are you doing to make friends? Are you actively trying to make friends with people? Or are you just hoping that you can rely on being friends with your colleagues, or just thinking that you're supposed to just stay friends with your college buddies? Like, you're not friends with your college buddies, and you don't get along with your coworkers, and your conclusion is that you can't make friends as an adult? Come on. It's not true. It's just something that people like to repeat as if it were some sort of law of the universe. You can't make friends past the age of 25 or 30 or whatever. Now listen, I will admit, for probably most people, it's true that they don't make a lot of friends, if any, after a certain age. We can see that that's true. But it doesn't mean you can't. It's just like, I mean, people will assume, like, oh, people already have their friends groups. They don't need any new friends. Listen, if you're watching this and you need new friends, other people need it too. Like, you're not the only person who wants friends, all right? It doesn't matter where you live. I mean, granted, in some countries it's going to be extra hard. Like, from what I heard, in Scandinavia it's particularly difficult, so good luck if that's where you live. But it's still possible, right? It's still possible. You just gotta put in the effort and treat it like it's work. Treat it like it's physical exercise, You want to be healthy and happy, you gotta, hit the gym or do some sort of exercise, right? You gotta eat healthy. You wanna have friends, you gotta put in the reps in order to get there, You gotta talk to strangers, you gotta attend events, you gotta work on your conversation skills so that you can actually connect with people, right? But it's not magic, all right? Like, it's not that complicated. It might take you a while, all right? Because it's like, if you're really not used to it, it's just like anything. It's just gonna take practice, and this is why I'm a friendship coach. I want to help people get there faster, right? So feel free to drop a comment or get in touch if you're interested in me helping you. But it's not this impossible thing that you've been led to believe. There's a car behind me, and I'm feeling slightly... Okay, give me a second. Hey. Go back, I guess. I'm in the mountains of Thailand still. It's beautiful. Can you like, look at that. Well, the camera doesn't do justice, but anyway, yeah, you can't make friends as an adult. That is such bullshit, and people just... Anyway, that's it, guys. Just fucking do it. Stop coming up with excuses like, you can't make friends past 30. You can't... Oh, is it too late to learn a language once you're 30? Is it too late to do this? It's never too late. What are you talking about? Do you still have your brain? Are you still a human? Just do it. You'll get there. Just stop it with these limiting beliefs. They're holding you back. All right. Have fun making friends.